Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am going to analyze forecast next week gold analysis forecast for your next week gold trading. So my last week gold trading made massive profit from Telegram. Link is below. You can join with and get the good profit from the gold trading accurate analysis. So link is below. Telegram link, you can join with it. So I am in a 4 hour chart. You can see this triangle pattern I was mentioned my last week video. This pattern breakout to the upside retest, and that is by opportunity. I already mentioned my last week weekly analysis video. 2350 is the target I was mentioned there, that has reached last week. That is the accurate analysis gold trading. So this is the buy opportunity in retest area. So we have already made buy in last week. So that is the gold analysis. You can join with Telegram. Link is below. So what is the next week with happen gold trading? What is the going on next week? So I am technically picture. I am in a 4 hour chart. You can see this. I am see left side. This is the left side box. I am calling this box. This is the price ranging left side. You can see the technically picture I am seeing like this. This is the price ranging in left side. You can see left side ranging and drop to the below side. That is the sellers are inactive in this box 50%. 50%. This here's a middle. There's the 50% line. I have drawn that line. That's the 50% line. That is the sellers are active. That's last Friday. That is sell is the 2377 that we made sell. So that is the technically analysis how we get the sell trade last week. That's the left side ranging area. That's the 50% of sellers actively in area. That's your sell opportunity last week. So that is the technically analysis, technically picture. What is the economic data next week? That's the most important economic event is the US CPI data report. That's the consumer price index data. Yearly report, monthly report is the inflation report. 3.5% is the current inflation rate, and Fed American Central Bank forecast to drop the 3.4%. So Fed's inflation goal is the 2%, is still not reached inflation goal. So 3.4 below drop, that is the reason for dollar sell off interest cut off is the coming soon. So this is the important economic events next week. You should touch with the CPI data report. That's the inflation report is there next week. So monthly inflation and the yearly inflation also there. That you should touch with the US trading goal. This is regarding US dollar. US inflation report is the very important one economic events next week. You should touch with this data report. So that's the economic event important. So let's go the technically analysis what is your trade goal trade in next week. So I am thinking I am going to the line chart for you a clear picture. So I am going to the line chart. You can see the this left side resistance. This is the resistance area. This resistance you can see left side. This resistance can be support in the right side, support and continuing to the upside. That is your buy opportunity and wait for the retest. 2350 area is the I am thinking retest area. That the left side resistance becomes support, that's the simple technically theory. So I am thinking price will be retest to the below side. So I am using Fibonacci for this movement. This movement Fibonacci you can see 0.618 is a golden zone is also in there. This is the golden zone. Price can be retest to this area also, 2350 area, and left side resistance can be support in area also. Two confirmations, you buy opportunity. So below side 2350, wait for the below side retest and 0.5 area is the below is the 2340 area is the 0.5 area. It is also your buy opportunity. So wait for the price retest below and again your buy opportunity next week, but wait to the downside retest area, that 0.618 area, 2350 area is the below area. Wait for the price retest to that area. So this is the 0.5 area, that's the 2340 area. So wait for the price retest below side and get the buy trade. So this is the technically picture I am seeing next week. So you have again buy opportunity, but wait for the price retest the golden zone Fibonacci 0.618 and the 0.5 area is the below. This is the 0.5 area, 2350 your buy opportunity, and 0.5 area is the 2340 area, again buy opportunity. So wait price retest to the below side. So that's my next week forecast. To get the money management well, risk management is the key for gold trading. So thank you very much.